What's up, everybody? Old Gatekeeper here, just cruising these old country roads out here in Big Walton County, Georgia. But man, I'm so busy on the bench trying to get caught up with the rest of this work. I'm trying my best to get caught up before January 1st. Probably won't happen, but if it doesn't, if I don't, it will be close. But basically, I just wanted to make a live video as of right now. This is live, meaning it's a video that just recorded. It's not a video from years and years before this point, like y'all been used to for the last couple of months. Basically, if you don't know, many of you do already, but if you don't know, I took a little bit over 3-year hiatus, not from building or work and nothing like that, but I took a 3-year hiatus from allowing my YouTube videos to be public. I did that for a couple of reasons, mainly since I was not taking in orders, mainly to help keep me out of the limelight, meaning the more you're seeing videos, the more you're going to have people asking for work. So that was for one of the biggest reasons, was for that, to kind of help draw less attention towards me, and also help me focus more on the work instead of having to edit videos, which I don't edit videos much. I mainly just put them together and upload them, but you know, it's saved from having to write descriptions, tags, YouTube search engine optimization, stuff like that. And then about 9 months ago or so, somewhere estimated around then, you saw me start releasing videos. So now till then, or till the end of now, however you want to look at it, I've been releasing videos that actually go all the way back to 7 years, because I've actually found some cool videos I've made private go back to 7 years from this point, but most of them have been up to 5 years. So, and I've mainly been picking only build videos I've been releasing. Well, I'm making this video to let everybody know that I've pretty much done releasing all my build videos. Now, that doesn't count all the build videos that I've done from during this 8-month period, an 8-9 month period. All those videos are still private. I think I'm going to keep those private until I'm done releasing all of my repair videos. So it's took me 8 or 9 months to release all the build videos, because I wasn't releasing them every single day. Now I have a lot more repair videos, so I'm going to have to release them bad boys at a greater time length. So it's time for repair videos now, y'all. Just wanted to let y'all know that. And what I'm going to do is, I have more Texas Star repair videos than anything. I don't want to start releasing them yet, because I know once I start releasing them, I'm going to be getting pounded with requests for Texas Star work, because I do specialize in Texas Star repairs, because I love Texas Star so much. Texas Star was my very first real amplifier, and that's the reason why. But I'm going to start off by releasing non-Texas Star repairs first. And I'm going to start off with, well, you can guess right, my phone died. That is abnormal for that to happen during a Gatekeeper video, isn't it? My phone died. Goodness gracious, if I can count the times that has happened. So anyway, it's a few hours later. Chilling with the old fur babies, as my sweet thing calls them. Hey fella. That fella right there, he don't like the camera. Oh, Walnut. He don't like that camera that much. Watch this. What you gonna do, boy? What you gonna do, bud? Come on now. Yeah, he don't like the old camera. He don't like the limelight. But come on now, don't be trying to kiss up on me while I'm recording. But anyway, that's Peanut right there, by the way, everybody. Whoop. That's Peanut right there. But when he gets real upset, Walnut comes out. Oh, Mr. Walnut. So, you know what I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted by a dead camera. Now it's time for repair videos. So I'm going to start releasing repair videos. So, y'all enjoy, and we will slowly get to the point to where I'm making live videos again. And I'm looking forward to it, and when we get to that point, I'll be all caught up. But I'm very excited to let everybody see all the repairs that I've done the last 3 to 5 years. I started kind of picking some here and there 5 years ago. I was starting to kind of releasing some repair videos, making some unlisted, making some private, and then right there at 3 years when I completely stopped making all repair videos public. Well, quit making any videos public. So anyway, just wanted to say that to all my supporters. Thank you so much for hanging in there, and all the people still waiting on builds. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have Superman patience, and it has been an absolute utmost top blessing for y'all hanging in there with me. I know a lot of people's it's tough waiting in there as long as y'all have, and I just can't express how much I'm thankful for that. So let's get it going, y'all. Repair videos from here on out. And then once all of them have been released, then I'll start releasing build videos again from all the build videos I've done from this past 9 months on to current time. That's how I got it planned for now. If anything changes, then so be it. Peace. God bless. Old Gatekeeper right here around the northeast end of Georgia. Just relaxing, about to take me a good shower and hit the old sack, as they say. We'll see you.